Okay, and here we go with part 3, another small little update for you. The wire that we were using, what I did is I cut a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces approximately that long. Don't ask me approximately how long that is.
Let me see it. 8 inches.
8 inches?
7.
6 to 8 inches, okay? And what I'm doing is, you can see I already got 7 of these done already. And these are very simple to do if you get the proper wire. All you do is, you put it on, you bend the first piece, and then you just wrap it. And this wire I have is very, very pliable. So, and then once...
Jewelry wire.
Yeah, jewelry wire.
Aluminum.
Colored aluminum, yeah, to look like brass. Okay, and then you just keep following around. Just wrap it. And wrap it. And to get your ends nice and snug, you just take your nose pliers. You crimp down that last little bit. Okay, just like so. And open up, open sesame, bend down a little bit. There you go. And speaking of wrap, that's a wrap. You can see this one here has some hot glue underneath it. I followed it down a little bit. It's very hard to tell from a distance which one it is. So there's your ring. And so far what we're looking at is pretty much that will sit right there like that. But actually this will go on first and this will go on top. And it's it, and that's that. This piece will be in the center. So the arc reactor is coming along. Our makeshift arc reactor is coming along very well. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to eat my steak real quick, and I'll be back. Okay, here we go again. A few things I've done. I had to go to the freezer because I filled in the main glass, or the center plastic cap, with all hot glue. Now the thing is, with it being concave and the way these lights sit, this little switch that sits on top of the lights here, I need that please, thank you, so you steal my project. The way it sits on there was manufactured to where this concaveness, when you push down, just this edge, would push down the edge of this silver piece, and then it would set the lights. Well, the issue is, with this being filled in flat now, it will be hitting off the LEDs because the silver portion pushes down, but the LEDs don't. So it was going to hit the LEDs. So I had to build up 3 small piles of hot glue here to make it where this no longer sits flat on here. It now rests on the LEDs. Now keep in mind, I still have to take the tin foil and put it around this and put a little circle in the center, which will cover up these 3 LEDs. But right now you can see when it's on, you can still see the 3 LEDs. I don't know if you can on the camera. It looks like it's pretty much evenly dispersed. What's going to happen now is then this little reactor part here is going to sit right on top of that. And then this piece here will sit right on top of this, okay, and then we'll have to build the case downward around it. So that's pretty much how the arc reactor is going to look so far. I guess I'll keep you posted. We're going to try a couple of experiments here to see if we can diffuse this a little bit more. So,
like
yeah, so we shall be back. And, alright. Okay, we're back with the final update on the arc reactor. And what we did here is, that's the back plate that's on the arc reactor where the battery's at. That came with the battery. What we did is we built this wall up using that stuff right there. Okay, and the hot glue, coincidentally, the hot glue that was used around this edge right in here actually seeped through. Oh, there we go, came undone. But there we go. There's the base with the wall. Okay, and then here's the other side with the base plate, all hot glued into place with the washer here in the center. Okay, which gives it a nice clean circular. I could probably do it with silver or black or something on that. But then you do that and you stick it on there like so, and I'm doing it one-handed. And I can't do it one-handed. Brittany, you want to do it? Or my wife's doing it. Oh, there is the arc reactor. And it looks a lot better on camera than it does in person, but hey, it happens. So
It looks good in person.
it does. It looks good. What we're going to do now is we have to figure out a way to mount this piece to this piece, but still allow it to be able to push.
Hot glue.
I might do some hot glue up in there because it is still bendable, pliable, pushable. And I can still access the batteries from the back side here.
Tell them you're going to take the tape off and stick to your chest. There's
Yes,
tape on the back.
there's tape on that back, right? There's some tape. So I'm going to take that off and stick it to my chest. No, this is going to be a display piece, but I might actually wear it underneath my shirt just to show you all how it looks sometime when I'm bored. Once I build a belt for it that comes off and on, or goes on and off.
No, just stick it to your chest hair.
Yeah, it's my chest hair. That works fine with latex. But, alright, well, there's the arc reactor. The arc reactor is complete. And remember, to recap a little bit, you need a washer. Instead of the tin foil, you need a washer.
The tin foil too, because the tin foil helps disperse it.
It did. We put some tin foil underneath it with the shiny side facing down, so push the light back down and out the sides. We use this wire. Aluminum, but it looks it's like paint like copper, but it's actually aluminum. It's jewelry wire. We used a faucet. What was it called? The tub spout ring, which is this right here. Dremel that a little bit. We used these shower curtain pieces with this little edge cut down and hot glue in the center right here to connect the two, and then the wire ran around. We used this stuff right here. We did some super glue. We needed a Dremel.
Super glue gel.
Super glue gel. It looks better. Little wire snips. So there's not a whole lot included. And the batteries.
Hot glue.
Hot glue. And hot glue gun.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Some Rippets.
Marvel soda straws.
Marvel soda. No, sour straws. So, yeah. Remember, if we can do it, so can you.